Cameras rolling. Action.
All right, which one was it?
Cameras rolling. Action.
It's execution time, ladies and gentlemen.
Cut. Not bad. Everything's pretty good except for over here on the end. You can't forget about what you're doing. So, I want everybody here is going to get shot somewhere on their body. Okay? I'm going to say bang. This includes Danny. Danny, you stay in there. This includes Danny. Okay, we all set this in. We're going to move on to glass. Get ready. Everybody's going to get shot and go down. Everybody's going to get shot. Think of which way you're going to get nailed. Okay? Ready? Think where you want to get nailed.
Excuse me.
Action!
I was waiting for Danny.
Okay. Good. Thank you.